Hey guys, I'm Yasir Bohila. I'm half Samoan, half Tongan.
Call and collect. Blessings on blessings for me. My successes only made them envious. They got upset. I had to put all their egos in.
I do work a full-time job, but I like to do part-time modeling on the side.
You're not entitled to anything else. I get 10 years of this under my belt. Your art is an art, they don't feel it, and nobody hears it. Initiative stay on the shelf. Your ego done got in the way.
So I'm into fashion and a lot of that thing, and if you guys enjoy what you do, or like if you're keen to do like something like this, don't be scared to try it, eh? Sweet.
Crumble and fold, yeah. It's not a secret that you a bit fearing the success that I'm on, so you back to the brag and the boast. But I'm in a class of my own. I heard they checking for me, no one checking on me, so I had to go run up a check. I got the message on me, ain't no flexing on me. My attorney gon' call and collect. Blessings on blessings for me. My successes only made them envious. They got upset. I had to put all their egos in check.